And as you run your fingers through this hand, it becomes an act of sexual prowess. And you want these people to focus in. Oh, so nice.
What happened to her?
Now, 10,000 times more relaxed. Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Oh, Jesus!
Okay, I got them where I want them. I got them where I want them. I need to take a pose. Mom, look what I did. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Instagram later. Aku Magician, if you want to follow me on Facebook or Instagram, it's the same. Surprise, I'm smart. We're gonna have some fun in Fort Nelson. Sleep, 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 sleep. You're back inside your bed. The sun, you're no longer in Mexico. Feeling very, very good. Except this person right here. The person I'm touching right now, you are still in Mexico. When I snap my fingers, you're going to be wide awake. You're going to be sitting up in your chair. On your left arm will be the most beautiful parrot in the whole wide world. But you don't want anybody to see this parrot. In fact, this parrot tells you secrets. Secrets that you know about everybody in this town. This parrot is your confidant. He tells you stuff that you can't even imagine about the people in the audience. You love this parrot. It's one of the most beautiful parrots in the entire world. When I snap my fingers, you'll be wide awake. On your left hand will be the most beautiful parrot in the entire world. You'll sit straight up in your chair because that's the only way the parrot can see it. When I snap my fingers, this parrot will be the most beautiful parrot. But you don't want anybody else to see it because it's your prize, parrot. I want you to wake up now. Hi, how are you doing? What's your name? Okay, Anna, turn around. I want to have a conversation with you. I just want to have a conversation with you. It's more comfortable if you bring your left hand out. Why? I love parrots. I actually...
That parrot has secrets.
About me? I'll show you something kind of cool about my life. See, if I snap my fingers, even though you don't want me to see the parrot has to come out. Watch. He has to... That is a nice parrot.
I know.
How old is it? 12. Looks great for a 12-year-old parrot. As one should with a 12-year-old parrot. It's hard for their little claws to hold a brush. They have no little claws. Little claws, and they don't have a thumb, so it makes it a little bit. That is a. Does it talk?
Yes.
Okay. What does it say about that person? That guy is kind of blind. Okay.
No, wait. What?
What's the parrot? There's a guy right here in the front row.
The guy with the green shirt?
Yeah. You can actually see clearly. I mean, it's... You can zone into anybody with your X-ray vision now. You can actually zone in. You can actually with your sight. Even though you say you're kind of blind, you've now changed that. But it's snap my fingers. You can now see clearly. Just like this, you can actually see all the people here in the audience. There's a guy over here hugging his wife, scared to death, I think. Girlfriend, maybe they're on a date, I'm not sure. What does the parrot say about him?
I'm so blind.
Oh, yeah.
What row?
Well, show the parrot. The parrot will tell you. Just show the parrot.
Oh.
Yeah.
His wife is cheating.
mouth. Why? This will be between you and I. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like your parrot? 12. So, and it's 12. Yeah, well, so each year you've got a new like for. So, so I'm going to show you something really cool. Do you know what this is? No. You know what kind of gun it is? No. It's a parachuting gun. So, you know the wife that was, well, I haven't done anything yet, but the wife of the guy that was cheating, she's called me in as a hitman.
Where's she cheating?
I know. Listen. I just have to do my job as a hitman. I like the way you protect your parrot. It's pretty cool. Well, I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything.
Beat it.
Whoa! Look at the way that head kind of went. Listen. No. Look, I gotta show you something. See this? Do this. Grab a hold of it. Grab. This is the pieces. Grab it. Roll it up in a little ball. Put it on the top of the head. It's the hair. See, the hair comes back to life. How great is that? I was worried for you. I was worried. I wanted the parrot to be on my side, right? Because that's why we did that. No, the parrot's still good. Parrot's still good. You know the saying, if you love something, you gotta let it go.
Let it free.
Yeah.
And it comes back to you, then it is meant.
If it doesn't, hunt it down and shoot it. No. Okay. The parrot needs to go with other parrots now. Okay, you ready? Tell it to go. Wait, come on. Look over here. Sleep.
Oh, jeez.